Are you struggling to manifest your desires? We've all been there, grappling with the feeling that our dreams seem just out of reach. It's a common struggle, wrestling with the universe to turn our deepest wishes into reality. You're not alone, and there's a way to turn things around. First, let's understand what manifestation truly is. Manifestation isn't some mystical, out-of-reach concept. It's about aligning yourself with the universe and your desires. It's about being in tune with your true self and the world around you, about striving to be the best version of yourself, and about living in harmony with your highest aspirations. But what does this actually mean? Well, imagine yourself as a radio. You can tune into different frequencies, right? In the same way, we can tune our thoughts, feelings, and actions to the frequency of our deepest desires. This is the essence of manifestation. Now, this doesn't mean you can just sit back, make a wish, and expect it to happen. Manifestation isn't a magic trick. It's an active process that requires your participation. It's about actively creating the life you want through your thoughts, feelings, and actions. The role of positive affirmations and prayers in this process cannot be stressed enough. They are the tools that help us align ourselves with our desires. When you affirm something, you are declaring it to be true. And when you pray, you are asking the universe to align with your desire. But here's the catch. The universe doesn't understand the concept of sometime. It only relates to now. So when you say today will be a good day, the universe hears it as a future event. But when you say today is a good day, you're stating it in the present tense, and the universe can respond to that. What you're essentially doing is aligning yourself vibrationally with your desire, and that's when the magic happens. That's when you start to attract what you want into your life. Remember, what you ask for is already waiting for you. It's just a matter of aligning with it vibrationally. And one more thing, don't be discouraged if things don't happen immediately. God's time isn't the same as your time. Be patient and use the opportunities that come your way. Manifestation is a process that requires alignment, not just wishful thinking. Now, you might be wondering where you're going wrong. Let's discuss some common mistakes. Perhaps the most frequent error in manifestation is misunderstanding the role of feelings and words. You see, every thought and emotion we express sends a specific vibrational message to the universe. When these vibrations are negative or filled with doubt, we inadvertently create barriers that prevent our desires from materializing. For instance, let's say you're manifesting a new job. If you constantly dwell on thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never get this job," you're sending the universe mixed signals. On one hand, you're asking for a new job, but on the other, you're affirming your lack of self-belief. This disparity can hinder your manifestation efforts. Another common mistake is not being specific enough with your affirmations. Remember, the universe doesn't interpret meanings the way we do. Saying today will be a good day might seem positive, but it's vague and leaves room for interpretation. The universe relates to the present, the now. So instead say, today is a good day. By stating it in the present, you're aligning your vibrations with the reality you desire. Furthermore, it's important to remember that what you're asking for is waiting for you to align with it vibrationally. Imagine your desire is a radio station. You need to tune your frequency to match it. If you're tuned into the frequency of lack or fear, you won't be able to receive the station of abundance and success. Lastly, impatience can be a major stumbling block in manifestation. God's time isn't the same as yours. The universe has its own perfect timing, and it's crucial to trust this process. Rushing or trying to force results can create resistance and delay the manifestation process. Avoiding these mistakes can put you on the path to successful manifestation. Practice patience, trust in the process, and remember to align your thoughts, feelings, and words with the reality you wish to create. After all, the universe is always listening. Remember, the universe only understands now. This statement may seem simple, but it holds profound wisdom. Let's dive deeper into its significance. In our daily lives, we often find ourselves caught in the whirlwind of past regrets and future anxieties, forgetting the preciousness of the present moment. The universe, however, operates differently. It responds to the energy of the now, not the echoes of the past or the projections of the future. You see, when we use affirmations and prayers, we're sending out vibrations into the universe. These vibrations are like ripples on the surface of a lake, extending outwards, reaching the ends of the universe. The universe, in turn, responds to these vibrations, manifesting our thoughts and feelings into reality. But here's the catch. The universe doesn't comprehend the concept of future or past. It only knows the present, the now. When we say, "I will be successful," or "I will be happy," we're placing our desires in a future time frame, a time frame that is non-existent in the universe's perception. The universe is like a mirror, reflecting back to us what we project onto it. It doesn't decipher the meaning of our words, but it does feel the energy behind them. When we use future tense in our affirmations, we're essentially sending out vibrations of lack, of something not yet achieved, and that's exactly what the universe reflects back to us. So how do we align our vibrations with the universe? The answer lies in the power of now. Use present tense in your affirmations. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." Instead of praying for happiness in the future, affirm your happiness in the present. This shift in language not only changes the vibrations we send out, but also influences our mindset, helping us embrace the power of the present moment. So change your words from "today will be a good day" to "today is a good day." Harness the power of now and watch as the universe aligns with your vibrations, manifesting your desires into your present reality. Manifestation also requires patience and the ability to seize opportunities. Now, this is where the real essence of manifestation lies. It's not just about wanting or wishing for something. It's about being patient, waiting for the right moment, and then grabbing the opportunity when it presents itself. Let's introduce a concept here: divine timing. It's the belief that everything happens at the right time, that the universe has its own clock, separate from our human perception of time. It's not always easy to accept, especially when we're eager for our desires to materialize. But remember, divine timing isn't about waiting indefinitely. It's about understanding that things unfold as they should, when they should. Just as a farmer must wait for the crops to grow after sowing the seeds, we too must wait patiently for our manifestation to come to fruition. We can't rush the process, just as a farmer can't speed up the growth of his crops. But what the farmer can do is seize opportunities, like a rainy day for additional watering, or a sunny day for extra warmth and light. Similarly, we must also seize opportunities that come our way that align with our desired manifestation. For instance, if you're trying to manifest a successful business, you can't just sit back and wait for success to come knocking at your door. You must seize opportunities, be it networking events, collaborations, or learning new skills. These opportunities are the universe's way of helping you align vibrationally with your desires. What's important here is the balance between patience and action. Too much patience without action can lead to stagnation, while too much action without patience can lead to burnout. The key is to patiently wait for opportunities while also being ready to take action when they arrive. So remember, the universe is always listening. It hears your desires, acknowledges your feelings, and responds in its own time. What you ask for is waiting for you. You just need to align with it vibrationally. It's about being patient, being open to opportunities, and then, when the time is just right, seizing them with both hands. Manifesting your desires is not an impossible task. It's a journey that requires understanding, patience, and a whole lot of faith in yourself and the universe. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've unpacked today. We've delved into the intriguing world of manifestation, how it's not just about wishful thinking, but a mindful practice of aligning your intentions, words, and emotions with the universe. We've also identified common pitfalls that can hamper your manifestation journey. Remember, the universe is like a mirror, reflecting back what you project. If you're sending out mixed signals or doubting your desires, it may be time to reassess and reframe your approach. And who can forget the power of now? The universe doesn't operate on a linear timeline. It exists in the present, and so should your affirmations. It's not about "today will be a good day," but rather "today is a good day." You're not just hoping for it, you're living it. And lastly, patience. In a world of instant gratification, this can be a tough one. But remember, divine timing isn't always in sync with our human calendars. Sometimes it's about waiting for the right opportunities to come along and using them to your advantage. So there you have it. A crash course into the art of manifestation. It's a journey, not a destination. And every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your comments are important to us, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Remember, you have the power to manifest your desires. Welcome to our new segment, Engaging with Our Community. Your journey to understanding and mastering manifestation is not a solitary one. We are here with you every step of the way, and so is our community. Our comment section is a treasure trove of insights, experiences, and questions from people just like you. So let's delve into some of the feedback and queries we received on our last video. Our first comment comes from Jane Doe, who asks, "How do I know if my manifestations are working?" That's a great question, Jane. You'll know your manifestations are working when you start seeing synchronicities or signs from the universe. These could be recurring numbers, unexpected opportunities, or even dreams. It's the universe's way of saying, "Hey, I've got your message and I'm working on it." Next up, we have a comment from John Smith. He shares, "I started manifesting a month ago and I've already seen some changes. My relationships are improving and I feel more positive." That's fantastic, John. Remember, manifestation is not just about getting what you want, but also about becoming the person who is capable of getting what you want. Don't forget to leave your comments below. We love hearing from you, and your insights could help others on their journey. Stay tuned for more videos on manifestation, and remember, you hold the power to create the life you desire.